Great little invention in here, little hack I've put together. Basically, my motorbike, anyone who knows who rides a motorbike and tries to mount a GoPro or one of these cheap cameras on the side of their bike, on the fairing, on the plastics, it just vibrates to nothing else. And the footage that you get is less than desirable. It's nearly unwatchable. Even post-production, video stabilization just doesn't seem to cut it. So I looked around for a solution to this, and what I came up with is basically a little rig, I suppose you could say, that holds your camera with like a dampening setup. Now these are off drones and such, so you can hang off your camera off the bottom and it keeps it nice and stable. But I've adapted it so it actually fits using the GoPro mounts on the side of my bike. So obviously the GoPro mount is on the side of the fairing. The plastic would clip in there and it'll have the whole setup there. Then you can see that it's a nice sort of soft anti-vibration setup there. Great work. This is the bee's knees. Now, so easy to do. These things only cost like 15 bucks off eBay. Really easy to set up. Basically, that's what you're getting. You're getting a system there which allows it to vibrate on the top or the bottom, and then sort of separates it. As easy as that. Simple as that. Now, these little cameras here, these are the cheap $20 cameras I found on eBay. Now, the problem with this $20 eBay camera, it come with a battery, but the battery had nothing inside the battery. So it's just like an empty shell of a case. Now, I've contacted the seller and obviously got another one replaced. But coming down to it, you're getting what you pay for. I took this for a ride the other day. I had pushed record. I thought it was recording. It said it was recording. Later on, went and checked it. It hadn't been recording. So really, $20 camera, do you really want to sort of mess with that and see if it's really going to work? The reason I have this set up here is use as a B-roll camera. So I normally have my camera on my chin mount, on my helmet, and I'll use something like this as a B-roll camera stuck aside the bike. So you might have a backward shot or you might have a forward shot like that. So another good way to mount your camera.